Hi guys, on this video I'm going to be discussing everything you need to know about Facebook limited originality of content violation. I'm going to be discussing why you received it, how to fix it, what to do when you receive them wrongly. In fact, I'm going to be discussing everything that you need to know about Facebook limited originality of content violation. But firstly, before we start, you're welcome to Grow Better. On this channel, we teach people how to build, grow their social media platform, and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Maximilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that you'll be able to enjoy more videos like this one you're watching at the moment. So guys, I'll be taking you guys to the other side of the screen where I'll be reading and explaining all these things step by step. So all you need to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. But before I get to the other side of the screen, I would like you to hit the like button and comment on this video. Even if you don't know what to say, actually say thank you Maximilian for sharing this. So see you guys on the other side of the screen.
Hi guys, you're welcome to this side of the screen, right? So here I'm going to be taking understanding limited originality of content violations. So I'm going to be reading all this down and while reading them, I'm going to be explaining them better for you guys to understand. So if you know you are having this issue of limited originality of content, all you need to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end because I'm going to be sharing everything that you need to know on this particular issue, right? So this is actually from Meta, right? You can see Meta Business Health Center, right? That's the reason why I need to make sure you listen carefully because this is actually from Facebook themselves. So, and I will make sure that I will explain them better for you guys. So here they said, in accordance with Facebook's partner monetization policies, content creators, publishers, and third-party providers can only monetize content that they created or were involved in the creation of, or that directly featured the creator, publisher, or third-party provider. What they actually mean is that right here, you can only monetize content that you were part of the production, right? Or maybe they featured you, or maybe you are the real owner of the content. You paid people to create those content in your name, right? In any way, if you want to monetize this content that you know that you are not the owner, you are not featured in the content, and you are not the creator itself, right? So the only way you can actually do this is by re-editing the content and adding value to the content. That's what they mean by here: commentary, parody, creative editing, and etc. Right? So you need to make sure that before you post someone else's video, make sure that you add value to those videos, right? So if you want to know how to add value to videos, I'm going to be dropping one of the video that I created, how to make money with other people's content. I'm going to be dropping the link on the description. So you need to watch the video, right? You need to watch the video to understand how to do this. And after watching the video and you still want to learn more, you can actually chat me up with the WhatsApp number in the description. We have class on how to make money with other people's video, right? So you just need to enroll and learn how to do that. So let's continue. Here they said about limited originality. Content violates our limited originality policy if your page or profile had no role in creating it and does not meaningfully alter its source. Page or profile that do not meaningfully enhance or add value to the content they post will be unable to monetize. Right? Just the same thing I explained right here. So for you to be able to monetize a content, you need to add value to the content, either by editing the content very well, like adding a subtitle, or there are a lot of things that you need to understand. And that is the reason why it's important to take class to get to understand all this. So you need to add value. Add value. That's the most important thing. Add value to that content, re-edit it, add something, make the content stand out from the original content, right? Then before you upload it on your page. Because if you fail to do this, you will receive limited originality of content violation because you posted the content directly the way the owner posted it on Facebook. And Facebook, they know when you post a video that is already on Facebook. So there is no way to escape this. The only way is to add value to that video to make it stand out, make it different from the original one. So here they said, why did my page profile receive a limited originality violation? You know, if you see a message in Meta Business Suite, Creator Studio, Professional Dashboard, or in the Facebook app that indicate that your page or profile share content that was unoriginal or repurposed content from other source with limited added value, we have determined that you shared content with limited originality or content that was produced without making meaningful enhancement. So it's just the same thing. Everything lies with what I have been actually saying right here. So anything that will make your page to receive limited originality violation actually means that you just copy the video, then posted. You didn't add anything, you didn't add value, you didn't do anything. So this is actually what I have been saying, right? There is no need to straighten the word because I've been saying all this throughout this video. So here they say there are three major behavior that can lead to limited originality flag for a page or profile. Number one, limited editorialization. So one of the behavior that can actually lead you to this is limited editorialization. This is actually when a page or profile does not add enough meaningful value to the video. This actually doesn't mean that you did not try to add something to the video. You tried to add something to the video, but actually the thing you did is that you did what they called minor enhancement. So example of minor enhancement right here is like you adding memes bar, logos, background music, changing the video speed. You doing this actually doesn't add any value to the video. Number two, adding subtitle transcript in the same language as the video audio language. So this actually means like you now adding subtitle. For instance, they used English in the video, and you still went and add a subtitle in English and think that you are actually adding value to the video. No. So, for instance, if you want to add value to a video in this manner, for instance, the video is in Igbo language and you subtitle the video to English language. So by doing this, you're adding value to the video. Another one is describing what happened in the video with no additional information. Understand? So these are what they called example of minor enhancement. So after editing the video and you did not add enough value in the video, they will give you limited originality violation. So another thing is aggregating. So this actually means you going to different pages to get their video and compile them together to post in your page, without adding anything, is bad. So to Facebook, they see that you are not adding any value. So example of this is creating content from multiple source without meaningful enhancement, compiling video together without meaningful enhancement. So even if you are compiling people's video, you need to add meaningful enhancement. You need to add a better value to the video, right? And another number three is duplicative content. Duplicative content actually means like, for instance, like somebody posted this video on Facebook. Actually, maybe you don't know, say they don't post that video, on Facebook, right? And you went on TikTok and got the video and posted the video on your Facebook, without knowing that the video is already on Facebook, So you are duplicating the video on Facebook and they will know, So for instance, if you got a video from TikTok, you need to re-edit the video, then add value to the video before posting on Facebook, So the best thing for you right now is to make sure you use the link on the description to watch the video on how to recreate people's video and make money with it. So these are the three things that can actually lead your page to limited originality flag. So the next thing we are going to be taking is, can I appeal? Actually, you can appeal. So let's take this thing down, right? If you believe that your page or profile was flagged incorrectly, you can file an appeal with our team. So what they mean right here is that, for instance, sometimes Facebook is not perfect. They make mistake, right? Sometimes they might actually send you this limited originality of content violation, right? And it might be wrong, they might wrongly send this. So what they actually mean is that if you feel that they wrongly send this thing to you, all you need to do is to appeal, right? So, but if the page or profile was flagged correctly, but you would like to comply with our guideline, we recommend posting a significant number of videos that are original or meaningfully enhanced before requesting an appeal. I explained this in the previous video I uploaded on YouTube, right? You know, like I say something like, if you repent and you're still doing the same thing that you are doing, it actually means that you've not repented, right? So what Facebook is actually saying right here is that if they flagged you and you really want to come back to their monetization program, the best thing for you to do is not just to delete your video, and still continue doing that thing. The best thing you're supposed to be doing is to deviate from posting that kind of content and start posting content that follow their policy. And when you post like up to 10 to 20 videos that are original and appeal, I swear to God, Facebook is going to or remove you from the flag. So here Facebook actually said you should not bulk delete the existing content on your page profile in attempt to expedite your access to monetization. So Facebook actually stated it clear right here that you shouldn't delete your video for you to feel that, oh, once I delete this video, Facebook will forgive me. Actually, once you delete those videos without posting original content, Facebook will not forgive you. You will request for appeal and the flag will still be there. So many people come to my DM and be like, I've deleted everything and still the flag is there. Yeah, because after you deleted the video, you did not do anything. You did not put any effort to make sure that you deviate from doing that same thing and start posting original content. So all you need to do in this case is to start posting original content. So the next thing is, when will my page profile regain access to monetization? So in most cases, limited originality of content violation carries 90 days demonetization penalty for first-time violators. Repeat offense may result to permanent demonetization. So what Facebook actually means is that once you have flagged limited originality of content, it takes 90 days for them to remove you from there. So what they remove you and you keep repeating the same thing, they will permanently demonetize your page, which means that your page will never be monetized. So that's why it's very, very important that after they have removed you for this, you will make sure that you create original content. So you need to learn how to create original content. So many people be like, I don't know how to create content. I'm not a content creator. I don't like showing my face. I'm shy. Okay. So that's the reason why you need to come. So let's teach you how to add value to video even without showing your face. So you don't need to show your face to add value to a video. There are a way we can actually teach you how to do that, and you'll be able to monetize your page. So the next thing is, what do I do if my page or profile is flagged for limited originality? So they said, if your page or profile has been flagged for posting content with limited originality, you may not be able to earn money using our monetization tools or be eligible to onboard the new monetization tools during the enforced period. So what they actually mean right here is that once your page is flagged, you cannot be monetized. All these things follows for everything we'll be saying right here. So these are the things that you are supposed to do, if you are flagged. So number one is post content that your page or profile created. The best thing you can do for your page is to regularly post content that you produce yourself or with dedicated partners. So this thing is also the same thing I have been saying. So you need to post content, post original content, or post content that you added enough value to. So number two is make meaningful enhancements. You can use content you are approved to use from other source as long as you increase its value, right? You hear them, you increase its value through creative editing, voiceover, or commentary. This enhancement must be meaningful. Simply stitching together clip or adding a watermark does not qualify a meaningful enhancement. So for this time, like so many people will be say when they come to Facebook, you see they'll put their picture like this and the other video will be playing. So that actually doesn't mean that you added meaningful value to a video. So that's why I recommend so many people, like when you come like this, it's important that you come and talk small before you allow the other video to play. When you talk, after you talk, then you watch the video. After people watch the video finish, you can actually analyze something. It's very easy. Even without you showing your face, there is a way you can do the analysis without showing your face. So this is the reason why you need to register for class. So chat me on with the WhatsApp number that is showing on the screen, or in the description so that you can actually get to know. So the next thing, review and evaluate your content. Check and make sure you are not posting content your page or profile had little or no role in creating. So before you post content, you need to review to make sure that you have role in those contents. Basically, guys, we have to use our common sense. There is nothing like you review. You know the content you created, you know the content you did not create. So it's simple. So if you did not create the content, you know. If you created the content, you know. And the only thing I will actually say right here is that if you know that it's not your content and you added value to it, make sure that you add the value very well. Make sure that you do it well. If you don't know how to do this, you can actually watch the video that is on the description. I will put the link on the description and you will get to learn how to do this perfectly, even without registering for my class. But I will only recommend you to come to my class if you, after watching the video and you don't understand or you want to learn more, you can come to my class, then take class and learn how to do it better. But when you come to the class, you actually have some benefit to talk to me face to face on a video call, and I'm going to be explaining all this to you. And not only how to edit, we are going to be taking some other things. I'm going to make you understand the niche you are going to be choosing and all those things. And we are going to be discussing a lot of things in the class. So that is why it's important that you take the class. But if you don't really feel like taking a class, you can just go to my description right here. Go to this video's description right here and click on the link and watch the video on how to do that. So the most important thing is understanding all these things that we studied today. So make sure you don't post content that you did not create or you did not add any value to it. And when they flag you, make sure that you start creating original content instead of just deleting your videos. So once you get to understand it, just know that you've understood everything about limited originality of content violation. So guys, I would like to take you guys to the other side of the screen because this is where we are going to be ending this video. Thank you guys.
Welcome back, guys. Hope you learned something from this video. If you did, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. And if you're new on this channel, I would like you to subscribe to this channel because there are a lot of things to learn on this channel. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to share this video so that other people will get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you guys for watching and been blessed.